Welcome back to Decor Insider. If you've been dreaming of a beautiful garden but worry about the cost, this video is for you. Gardens don't always need a big budget. Sometimes creativity and smart choices are all you need. Today, I'll show you how to transform your yard in 2025 with low-cost ideas that still look stylish and fresh. From repurposed materials to planting tricks, these ideas will help you save money and still build a charming outdoor space. Let's get started. Number 1. Use recycled containers as planters. One of the easiest ways to save money in your garden is by using recycled containers as planters. Old buckets, unused kitchen pots, or even large tin cans can be turned into plant holders. You don't need to buy expensive ceramic pots. Just clean up what you already have and maybe give them a coat of paint for a fresh look. This way, your plants get a nice home and your wallet stays happy. Number 2, grow from seeds instead of buying mature plants. Seeds are much cheaper and give you more plants in return. Yes, they take a little patience, but the reward is worth it. Try growing marigolds, sunflowers, lettuce, and herbs like basil and mint. Number 3, try vertical gardening. If your space is small, go vertical. Use old wooden pallets, shoe organizers, or hanging basket. It's perfect for herbs, flowers, and even small vegetables. This saves space and gives your garden a fresh, modern look. 4. DIY garden pathways. A neat pathway instantly makes a garden look organized. Instead of buying expensive stones, try using gravel, broken tiles, or even wooden slices from tree branches. Arrange them in a creative way, and you'll have a charming path for almost no cost. You can also use old bricks if you have them lying around. Number 5. Make your own compost. Soil and fertilizers can cost a lot if you keep buying them. A cheaper option is to make your own compost. Collect food scraps like fruit peels, vegetable leftovers, and coffee grounds, and let them break down naturally. Over time, they turn into nutrient-rich compost that helps your plants grow strong. Number 6. Use mulch to save water. Cover the soil with leaves, straw, or even shredded paper. Mulch keeps the ground cool, locks in moisture, and stops weeds from spreading. Best of all, it costs little to nothing if you use materials from your own yard. Number 7. Upcycle old furniture into garden decor. That broken chair or ladder you are going to throw away? Keep it. A chair can hold flower pots, and a ladder can become a vertical plant stand. These add personality to your garden at zero cost. Number 8. Choose low-maintenance plants. If you want to save time and money, go for plants that don't need much care. Succulents, cacti, lavender, and ornamental grasses are great options. They're tough, look amazing, and need very little attention. Number 9. DIY garden lighting. Good lighting doesn't have to be expensive. Solar-powered lights are cheap and eco-friendly. Or make your own lanterns using mason jars and fairy lights. Hang them from trees or place them along your path for a cozy evening glow. Number 10. Collect and reuse rainwater. Set up a rain barrel or even a simple bucket to catch rainwater. Use it to water your plants during dry days. It saves money on water bills and helps the environment. Number 11. Create a wildflower corner. Wildflowers are colorful, cheap, and easy to grow. Just scatter a packet of seeds in one part of your yard. Soon, you'll have a natural, vibrant garden corner filled with butterflies and bees. Number 12. Repurpose wooden pallet. Pallets are free from many shops, and they're so useful. You can turn them into vertical gardens, raised beds, or even simple outdoor furniture. A pallet garden adds instant style without spending much. Number 13. Build simple raised beds. Don't buy expensive kits. Use old planks, pallets, or crates to build raised beds. They keep soil healthy, look neat, and are perfect for vegetables and herbs. Number 14. Add a fresh coat of paint. Sometimes all your garden needs is color. Paint old fences, flower pots, or bricks. Bright shades make small spaces lively, while softer tones create a calm vibe. A little paint goes a long way. Number 15. Create a DIY water feature. You don't need a big budget for this. Use a recycled pot, add a small pump, and you have a fountain. Or turn an old bowl into a bird bath. Water features bring peace, sound, and wildlife to your garden for very little cost.